Are we having a sandwich?
What makes you think that?
Oh, look what you've got.
What is it?
You got my favourite.
Branston pickle.
Branston pickle. We got tomatoes going on.
A bit of tomato.
And what's the main ingredient?
We're going to have some ham.
Ham? Is it something to do with what's in it? Oh, yeah. Look at that, ham and cheese. I'm very easy to please, me.
Not ham and cheese, it's ham and tomato and Branston pickle.
Oh, is that what we're having? Not a piece of cheese thrown in?
Not unless you want cheese thrown in.
I don't know. What do you think?
What do you think?
Do you think I should have a piece of cheese thrown in?
Do you want some cheese thrown in?
Shall we spoil ourselves?
Shall we push board out?
Push board out. Go on then, let's have a piece of cheese. Anyway, we're back in our little casa, but it is a little bit rough out there. So we've been sort of in the house, haven't we? We
haven't seen the sun yet.
No.
Since we landed.
No, we haven't. But
since we left UK.
I think we'll be here long enough to experience the sunshine. According to the weather forecast, we're going to be like this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then next Saturday and Sunday. Can't you do it? Are you struggling?
I can't open it.
You can't open the Branston. What are we going to do?
Branston.
You hold this then?
I've done it.
You've done it. Oh, I'm going to give you a hand.
That took some doing. You saw me struggling, didn't you?
I saw you struggling, but I thought I'll leave you to it. I didn't want to undermine your capacity to release the lid of a jar of Branston pickle.
Do you know, we've still got that jar of beetroot at home that we've had about 18 months because we can't open the lid.
I know, I can't even get that off, can I?
No.
Have we tried put it in boiling water and all sorts of stuff?
Just can't do it.
It's 1 o'clock.
I haven't had anything yet this morning.
Yeah.
No.
Before we left last time, in November, we had the bathroom done. We took the bath out and we had a new shower unit put in.
Where's my bath?
There it is, we're very pleased with it. We also got a new ceiling fan from Leroy Merlin's, and that's good. It's got 6 speeds on it, so don't need it this week, but in summertime that'll be a blessing. And the light itself has got 3 different settings, so it's got a warm setting there, it's got a middle setting and a cool setting there. But that's really blowing some, look at that. That's the fan on full blast. That is very fast. The work was carried out by Tony and Lee from Renovate Concepts. Their website is www.renovateconcepts.es. They've also got a Facebook page, Renovate Concepts, have a look at that. Can be contacted through Facebook or their website at info@renovateconcepts.es. Only just, I think. Oops, I spilled some.
run out of water.
Just done it, look. With some blue milk.
Not much in for me. Shall we finish these little Jaffa cakes?
Ooh.
Little mini ones.
Shall we?
But how many's left?
We brought them, didn't we?
Do you know how many there's left?
How many?
5.
Is that 4 for me and 1 for you?
No. Shall we share
3
them out?
3 for me and 2 for you.
Shall we share them out?
Is it 2.5 each?
1 for you. 1 for me.
Yeah.
1 for me.
Hang on, it should be me first.
1 for you.
No.
The last one goes to... you.
Really? Would you let me have your last roll or?
Yeah.
Have your last roll or?
I'd give you my last roll off.
Oh, okay, that's very good. Right, come on, now let's go and have a look upstairs.
Ooh, it's bright. The future's bright. The future's sunny.
The old washing machine's still covered up.
Still wrapped up.
We did a good job of wrapping it up, didn't we?
I did that.
Because sometimes it's all over the place when we get back, isn't it?
Yeah.
The wind's caught it, but that's done all right.
Yeah.
So do you think it's worth getting the
I don't
furniture
think so.
out yet?
No. I'd leave it because we're not really going to be sitting up here, are we?
And it's windy.
If we do want to sit up here, we'll get the other chairs out, but I can't really see the point at the moment.
No, it'd be a waste of time, wouldn't it? You have to
We're
clean
going to have to clean them all.
it all twice. Right, we'll leave that for now then. Let's have a look in our shed. Yeah, it's all in there. Four chairs, our plastic table, our 2 nice chairs. We've got 2 travel chairs. We've got the 2 sunbeds at the bottom. And they'll all come out when we've got some solid sunshine. Just had that wall done as well, this new sort of coping stones on top. Just to stop any water from getting down the middle.
No, we need to get something to cover these holes up.
That's where the old dish was. Could get a nice, some of what Hilda Ogden had. What did Hilda have?
The ducks.
Put the ducks up there. It was a mural.
Muriel.
There's a mural on the wall.
But there were ducks, weren't there?
There were ducks.
Well, you can get them big butterflies and things, can't you?
Yeah, we'll get some up there. Right, I'm going down now because it's cold.
You're not going to sit down in the sunshine.
Oh, it's cold, isn't it? What's this thing down here?
This is a draft excluder. I've just made it. Made it out of an old towel.
A draft excluder?
You might recognise the towel.
We're in Spain though.
I know, but it's blooming cold and drafty. So do you recognise it?
I've seen it before somewhere.
Used to be on my bike.
It's not that thing off your saddle, is it?
Yeah. But there were 2 or 3 holes in it, so I didn't want to wash it because I think it'd just disintegrate in the washer. So I thought I'd make it into a draft excluder.
Oh.
It used to say summer. Well, it does say summer, only the S and the U is inside because it would have been too long. So we need that at the moment to just keep the drafts out. Today's Wednesday.
It's sad, isn't it?
What's sad?
Weather.
Yeah. We're not going out.
It's still wet and windy. We haven't been out, have we?
We've hardly been anywhere, have we? Not done anything on the solarium or out front.
It's like we're back in Yorkshire.
It's not because it's sunny there. It's been sunny since we left.
Oh dear.
I think we came a week too early.
We came a week too early, didn't we? What are we going to do?
Well, hopefully by the weekend, it's going to brighten up. We might see the sun.
Really? Are you sure?
No, I'm just hoping.
We've been here now a few days.
Been here nearly a week. It's a week tomorrow since we came.
At the weekend, it's gonna brighten up, isn't it?
Fingers crossed.
So, on that note, it's a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Bing! Adios.